In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage and update your domain settings within the Wix dashboard. This is crucial for anyone looking to maintain a professional web presence, and I'll guide you through each step to make it as simple as possible. Let's begin by logging into your Wix account and accessing your dashboard. This is your central hub for managing all aspects of your Wix website, from design to business tools. Once you've entered the dashboard, your next task is to locate the Domains section. This can typically be found as part of the main menu on the left side of your screen. Clicking on Domains will take you to a page dedicated to all things related to your website domain. On this page, you will see a list of any domains you currently own or are managing through Wix. This is where all associated domains are neatly organized for easy access and modification. Whether you're looking to initiate a new domain or make edits to an existing one, this is your starting point. If your goal is to rename an existing domain, you can begin by selecting the specific domain from the list. Once you've clicked on it, an option will appear that allows you to rename the domain. Enter the desired new name for your domain, ensuring it reflects your brand or website purpose accurately. After you've specified the new name, confirm your changes. It's important to verify that any changes made align with your marketing and branding strategies, keeping in mind that the domain name is often the first impression visitors will get of your site. For those of you looking to connect a new domain to your Wix site, you'll want to look for the option to Connect New Domain. Selecting this will prompt a few straightforward instructions on how to either buy a new domain through Wix or connect one you might have purchased elsewhere. If you choose to acquire a domain directly through Wix, the platform will guide you through selecting and purchasing the ideal name that suits your brand. For those transferring an external domain, you will need access to your domain registrar's account to change the necessary DNS settings, pointing them to Wix's servers. Remember to save all changes once you've finished updating your domain settings. This ensures that everything is current and fully operational, paving the way for a smooth experience for your site visitors. By following these steps, you're not just renaming or connecting a domain.